Olmix Group is a French company. It's based in Brittany. We are present worldwide, and we are specialized in the extraction and purification of some bioactive compounds from the cell wall of macroalgae. We have been working already for more than 20 years, and we run a lot of scientific collaborations with renowned institutes and universities, mainly in Europe, but also worldwide. Let's say that when we talk about Algimun, which is one of our strategies, this product is based on two bioactive compounds extracted from the cell wall of macroalgae. These type of molecules, they have specific characteristics that are unique and are not found in other molecules. For example, they are not found in terrestrial plants. For example, in microalgae, freshwater algae, or neither in the yeast cell wall. When we talk about the composition of these bioactive compounds, we need to consider four main characteristics. They are branched, they contain different type of sugar units, they contain rare type of sugars, and the key characteristic that is going to bring the competitive advantage of this molecule is the high presence of sulfate groups. This sulfation is going to make these molecules very attractive for the cells, for example, immune cells, but also intestinal cells, and they are going to bring a lot of benefits in terms of health and performance to animals. This technology is mainly dealing with two important, let's say, physiological systems of the animal. One of the bioactive compounds that is called MSP immunity is going to modulate the immune response of animals. What it's going to do is to trigger the expression of different immune mediators. So we are going to make the immune system be alert. We're going to increase the alert system. We are going to make the cells more coordinated, and we are going to prepare the animals to face different types of challenges. The second bioactive compound within Algimun, it is called MSP barrier. In this case, the bioactive compound, what it's going to do is to reinforce the gut barrier function of animals via boosting the tech chance on proteins and also increasing the production of mucin, which is the main component of the mucus layer. So thanks to these specific bioactive compounds, we are going to target gut health, but also modulation of the immune response, which are very important for animals to face different types of challenges. In the case of dairy, we are working a lot during the last years with partners worldwide, for example, in the United States, Israel, Europe as well. Algimun is going to support the cows during, let's say, the most sensitive periods in their life cycle. For example, we have very good experiences at the commercial level during the dry period, preparing the cows for all the stress that they're going to suffer in the calving and also at the beginning of lactation. We have seen, for example, a reduction by 50% in some cases of pathologies in the postpartum, such as mastitis. We also have been working a lot, and one of the best positioning and one of the occasions that the farmers, the customers, will increase their production is by use Algimun during, for example, moments of heat stress. Heat stress is a concern worldwide, especially now with the climate conditions that they are changing. And we are seeing that the use of Algimun during these periods, during the dry period, also during lactation, cows will benefit from it. We have observed the maintained milk production, for example, a reduction of somatic cells and animals that are better prepared after calving, and also an improvement of the colostrum quality. In this case, this is very important because we have seen an increase of the immune status of the cow, and this is going to be reflected in terms of production, as an increased milk production, for example. Besides working and doing a lot of effort in dairy, we are also highly involved with the partners worldwide in the poultry sectors, in swine and aquaculture, and also they are seeing a lot of benefits from the use of these algae technologies, in this case, thanks to the use of Algimun.